So welcome to another video. Today I'm actually going to go over how to auto update your graphics driver, and what I mean by auto update. Well, let me get into it. The main reason you want to update your drivers in general is to resolve any bugs or issues you have with the software has with the piece of hardware. So updating a driver usually means that sometimes your display will look a lot more sharper. Most of the time, if it's an older graphics driver, your display will look a little bit sharper, more HD, if you will. It will also increase a bit of performance when playing games. You know, you'll get an extra frame per second more or so. And most importantly, it'll fix the bugs it might have. Um, there are several ways of doing this. I'm going to go over the most common or most used. One, you can go ahead and download yourself a copy of SLIMEDRIVERS from SLIMEWare Utility. That will actually update all the missing drivers. But the problem with this one I don't know if it's just me, but the problem I've always seen with this one, when it comes to the graphics card, it sort of falls back to like a default list, and it won't give you the latest version. It'll actually give you the version they have on the manufacturer of the laptop, because usually the manufacturer of the laptop will have a preset driver for the computer, but it's not going to be the current version, most because they don't update them. So you'll get like the versions what they had on the website. But anyway, so you can go ahead and do SLIMEDRIVERS. I mean, it's pretty good, not too bad. But if you want to go a little bit further, you can actually go ahead and go to the website. For example, I have an AMD Radeon in my desktop. I can just go ahead and go into support drivers, desktop products, download drivers, select what kind. I have a Radeon HD 5000 series, it's a bit old, and then select the operating system, which is 64-bit. And there you go. So it's going to go ahead and download the correct driver for your graphics card. But that's too much digging around. Sometimes, especially Intel makes it hard to look for their driver sometimes. So what the manufacturers have come up with is this auto. Oops, let me go ahead and refresh it. Is this auto detect software, so you can go ahead and detect your system. I have an Intel graphics card in this laptop I'm currently using. I'm just gonna go ahead and run as Java. Oh, damn it, I blocked it. Oh well, whatever. You get the gist of it. AMD has this AMD driver AUTODETECT. You download an actual program which is 774 kilobytes, and then it'll actually detect your driver. NVIDIA is a little bit different. It's kind of similar to Intel. It'll actually run on the website itself, and it'll scan your computer and try to find your latest driver for your graphics card. I think it's just what else? And the last, and probably the most inefficient or most the worst way you can actually do it is actually go into Device Manager. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Go into Display. I'm gonna go ahead and documents. Good. You want to go ahead and go into Display Adapters. That's right here. Click that. Okay, you want to click it. And see HD graphics. You want to go ahead and update driver software. This most of the time doesn't work, but you can go ahead and try that. That's the fourth option. I'm going to go ahead and leave all the links below in the description, so you can go ahead and download your latest driver, because there's a lot of benefits. And it just looks a lot nicer too, because mostly your display will look a lot more HD and sharper as well. So thanks for watching.